Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is on this red smoky eye. Let's just jump right into it. So I'm going to start off with this liquid lipstick called Creeper from Colourpop, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid, but I'm applying this below my crease. Then I'm going to blend this out with a blending brush. So I'm going to use this orange shade from Morphe called Flame. You can use any orange shade you have. So this is going to be my transition color. So that's what I'm going to apply in my crease to help blend out the red a bit more. So I'm going to use this shade called Ada from the Juvias Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid, still below the crease. Using my blending brush to blend the crease out a little bit more. Moving on to under my eyes, so I'm going to use the same liquid lipstick, and then using a flat shader brush from e.l.f., I'll apply it right underneath my eye and smoke it out with the same orange that I used for my crease. Then I'm using my highlighter in my tear duct just to give it like a pop. So I'm going to apply my mascara on my bottom lashes. And then I'll go in with this NYX nude pencil to line my waterline. So I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and I'll be back. So now that we're done with the eyes, we're moving to the lips. So I'm using this NYX lip pencil in the shade Nutmeg. I'm using this to line my lip. And then go in with another lip pencil. This is the AOA lip pencil in the shade Vintage. So I just apply and then press my lips together to blend. Then using my favorite nude lipstick, I'll be using this So Aesthetics lipstick called Angelina. And the next one is this NYX Butter Lip Gloss in the shade Praline. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but I'm going to leave all the information in the description box, so don't worry about it. So I'm using the NYX lip gloss all over my lip. And then I'll use this e.l.f. lip lacquer in the middle. So I just place the lip lacquer in the middle and then I just blend it out. So I just keep applying till I'm satisfied with the look. So I'm using my powder brush to blend it all in and then set my entire face with the Scandinavia finishing spray. So this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.